Bruh. Bruh.
Is this your homework, Larry?
Hey, Dritas, welcome to the stream. The late stream, alright? Forgive me, man. Like, there's one sport I watch, it's college football. There's one team I really care about more than any other, okay? They were playing. It was a blowout. It was great. Spent time with the family. And while spending time with the family, well, you had positive capitulation on an asset called XRP that, you know, the new day started 37 minutes ago. It's up 5% on the new day. Over 5%, almost 6%. Up 50% yesterday. Absolute pandemonium. I mean, that's the word. Pandemonium. Complete insanity. It's like pretty much why are people in crypto, why are the people allured, enticed to join this market rather than traditional markets, right? It comes from maybe traditional technical analysis could be applied and it could work, right? Low areas of risk, high reward areas, value areas, right? That could play out. It does play out, right? Time and time again, we see it. But here's the difference, right? When you're in bullish conditions, like Bitcoin's in a parabolic run, well, maybe, just maybe, traditional technical analysis targeting can apply, right? Where you hit targets and then you go 100% higher than the targets, right? And that's a perfect example of what happened to XRP. Perfect example of what other assets could be doing. And what I'm talking about is XRP right here, right? I mean, you know this if you're a patron. Heck, man, if you watch the live stream, if you were watching the live stream in early November, this was handed to you. We talked about it. It was here. Bullish cipher. That's a great potential reversal harmonic pattern, just like we were here if you were here in late June, right? The bullish shark. But little do you know, man, how can you target this? How can you be like, oh, this little cipher is gonna do this? You just don't know. You can't do it because it's just like that's the difference between traditional markets and the crypto market. This stuff that doesn't happen in traditional markets, man. Okay, hold on a sec. Let me do something. Let me change up manually DJing. So just hang tight. Thank y'all for being here. Pretty insane historical times upon us right now. I mean, I think total market cap is hit a highest high of the entire rally. Let's take a gander at that real quick before we look at other things. Bitcoin, there's nothing to look at, man. It's just the exact same price it's been. You know, we got a 24 hours, same price, man. It's just whipsawing between a lowest point of 18,348 to 18,980. So just in the dead middle, where traders are settling up. Every 4-hour candle is exactly where you are now. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, right, 32, 30, 36 hours. Same price you're literally at, okay, on Bitcoin. So it's really not much to talk about with, but it doesn't matter because there's so much to talk about with the altcoins, the S-coins, the assets we talk crap about. Here's a real big thing though, okay? What is so incredible, it has nothing to do with Bitcoin, all right? It's everything to do with the total market cap, where you broke $518 billion, chat. That's a breakout. That's where traders settled up at a high point, January 29, 2018. We're above it, man. All right, the next stop's $570 billion. A long way to go, man. Long way to go. But you broke out of the ascending broadening wedge. You broke horizontal line resistance, and now we're just sitting here in outer space. Yes, we're on the disco moon. The disco moon, man. Hold on. I'm trying to get my bearings straight. I had just gotten home, man. I haven't looked at anything. Just on my phone, like when I'm at my parents' house. Hold on a sec, dude. Just give me a sec. What's up, Dev? Tech Games, man. Hold on a sec. Bitcoin's the new stablecoin. Yeah, I guess, man. I guess. So, oh yeah, Michigan Wolverines, dude. Y'all gonna win a game, man, this year? Y'all gonna do this? Wow. Spin? I did. I mean, I've already drank a couple at my parents'. I actually had a little bit of whiskey, but I'm prepared, man. Like, if you want to get... Alright, I hope Logan's here. He's probably not here yet. He normally makes a late appearance. Is Logan here? Did anyone see Logan chat yet? I haven't seen any chat, so I'm scroll up. I don't see him. Nah, he's not here yet, okay? Maybe. Anyway, let him know. Someone text him, tell him he's screwed.
Bruh.
First spin, destroyed. Alright. Thank you, dude. Thank you, Matthew, man. Good luck to your team tonight. So, you know, this is what we're talking about, right? Like, you can apply traditional technical analysis, right? And, you know, you just don't know because an asset underperforms for years, right? And you're like, oh, I'll take some profit when I can because based on the previous history of years, it dumps after profit taking, right? So it's like XRP. Here it was, hand delivered to patrons November 5th. Everyone was pinged. This is your stop loss. This is your entry. Here are your profit taking levels. Of course, man. I'm applying, dude. It's like I'm treating XRP like an asset that's on the stock market or is in Forex, man. That's all I'm doing. Okay, but
spin for XRP.
Spin connect. Here you go, Michael. But you're screwed. Get wrecked, dude. Not gonna happen. Thank you. I really appreciate it. All right. So everything's lined up. We're doing the right things. What's up, J-Togs, man?
Togs tipped $25. Dude, been waiting years for this hype.
Yeah, and in ways we didn't know if it would ever return to this magnitude, and it certainly has. Thank you, J-Dog, for the $25 contribution. Wham, bam, thank you. Ma'am. All right, from entry, 3 targets hit. You broke the 3rd target. You back tested as support, hidden bullish divergence there, and it's gone. It's just literally ludicrous. So how could be someone be like, "Oh, screw you, man. Screw you." Well, you know, if we look at the weekly, I mean, if you remember, there were targets, dude. I mean, the weekly. Look, this is the way it was sized up. You know, a dragon, a breakout, 50%, 618, then 886. That was the 3rd target of the trade setup. There were the position trade. Let's go, Casey, man.
Honestly, TA is one thing, but I feel you have helped me to stay calm and keep my emotions out of trading. That's worth my Patreon membership in gold.
Boom, Casey, man. Thank you so much for the 50. Thank you, Donald Pump. Thank you, Casey, man. Thank y'all for contributing. Let's go, Jimmy. What's up, dude? I think there's futures for Ethereum. I think there's only futures for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know, man. Right? Does anyone know that? You know, Bitcoin doesn't look like it's going to have a gap, right? No, I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are the only ones with option contracts, right? So I don't think you have to worry about a gap. No? Don't think so, man. So thank you. Who cares, man? Like, good God, look at it. It broke out. It's gone. It was like it's like a breakaway gap if it does gap up, okay? Somewhere on some Rudy Poo exchange. So you hit an 88% retrace from your high from June of 2019, right? So where you think you're going, 51.2 cents, the 100% retrace. I mean, that's it, right? Potential major reversal area. If you ever broke that, you have to understand on XRP, the next target after 51.2 cents is 58 cents. That is where traders settled up on the weekly, September 24th, the week of September 24th, 2018. That's probably where you're headed, man, okay? Probably do. 1272, 62 cents. Okay, great. At least we got target. It's nuts. The volume that came in today or this week is record breaking, at least on Binance. This is the highest level. I'm sure you go back to great FOMO levels. It's higher maybe, but I'm just talking about right now. The chart we're looking at, what we've been analyzing, that's records right there on the weekly. So big things doing things. All right, the XRP. Yeah, I hope y'all like the thumbnail. Yeah, outdated thumbnail. I tried reaching out to Chaley, didn't hit me back before it was too late. I had to go live. So
Can the alts, especially ADA, maintain these prices? Spin.
Probably not. Just being real, probably not. Traders market, remember. Get wrecked, dude. Thank you, Manimal, for the 10, but the unfortunate no spin or no chug. Thank you, dude. No, man. You'll probably get a decent pullback on a lot of these assets soon. I mean, like, you'll probably get 20%, 30% of retraces. I mean, after pumps like this. But hey, man, whatever. You know, crazy stuff. Absolutely crazy. So congratulations, XRP. We got to take a look at Ethereum now that was rallying, but it has pulled back $5 since its high. That's because Bitcoin's any move Bitcoin makes that is infinitesimal, really. Ethereum is sensitive to it. So you hit a high actually of 561.76. What happened on the breakout, Larry? I mean, this area 487. What happened since you broke in $487? The appreciation of value at your highest point. In 2 days, since the breakout, Ethereum is up 15%. That's how you know it's a real breakout, man. That's serious. That's not a joke, dude. Okay, 15% appreciation value in 2 days is wonderful for your second largest market cap crypto that exists. That's pretty effing good, man. Okay, and it's not over. You broke by 42. That was a soft resistance of some sort. Soft resistance. You're above it like substantially. Pretty well. That was, look right here. The next target, man. I mean, really on Ethereum. I mean, you're looking like 612 to 625 now. $600 is a 38% retrace. You got to go the monthly. Let me just show you here. The monthly, which we've been looking at almost daily. The double bottom. Do we not say this is just kind of the beginning? And look at this candle. Yeah, you're from your all-time highs, 1420.
Is that a join?
To your lowest point, around $84. 38% retrace from the high to low. 38%. That's your next target, really. 100% measure move. You're getting there, man. You're about $100 away from the 100% measure move, the double bottom. I think that's incredible, dude. Could I please get a sound check real quick? I haven't even asked about it. It could have been too loud the whole time. The stream could be ruined, chat, and there's nothing I can do about it now. You wish you didn't get stomped out of your XLM trade. You're obviously not following the Patreon XLM trade because that did not get stopped out even close, right? That was amazing. People saying it's perfect, too loud. Should I believe y'all? The sound is fine. Just gonna go a little bit down, just a smidge, man. Not to create a riot here, okay? That's just it's a little bit down. So this is probably gonna be perfect. Let me know now. Okay, so that's Ethereum. It's broken out. It's doing things just like the rest of the altcoins, while Bitcoin takes a breather, it's sipping on its whiskey, probably watching college football. It's enjoying itself. It's enjoying being at $18,659, man. But here's the thing about it, Bitcoin. We haven't even gone to it. Let's go to it real quick, okay? Congratulations, Ethereum. 652 is the target. The target, excuse me. What's up, Donald? Paid for a spin, never got one. I'm almost certain you got a spin. Wait a second. Don't gaslight me, dude. Don't do what other, what sources do now, right? Don't gaslight me, man. Can we get back? Can we back up on that? Cause like I almost certain I spun for him, chat. Now if hey Vince, man, it says all aboard the pump train. Thank you, dude. I didn't see that contribution and show up, man. Thank you, dude. Could have sworn I spun. I missed a spin. CB says. What about you've only seen one spin? Okay, alright, well, whatever. We'll put it to bed, dude. Whatever, dude. Here it is. You can't argue now because it didn't land on Chug. Get wrecked, dude, in a positive way. Thank you, man. Okay, let's see here. So, Bitcoin. And what's the only concerning thing? Maybe you could be a little worried. I mean, maybe. Like, if it's going to reverse this right here, this is it. This is where it would start topping out and reversing down. So why? Look at it. I mean, this is extremely textbook bearish divergence. Class A textbook bearish divergence on both oscillators, where you make a high, you make a slightly higher high with much lower levels of positive Momo, much lower levels of relative strength. Okay, that's implying this impending price action reversal to the downside. But it hasn't happened yet. You've got negative momentum, and you're just going sideways. So, mysteries abound. What can happen in parabolic runs like this is when you're showing bearish indicators in bullish conditions, they oftentimes underperform and or they completely fail. So in this situation, that's the environment we're in right now. This could just fail. It could be like, well, sellers couldn't muster enough asks to push the price down, and the negative momentum just at this point just keeps building on sideways price action. Then all of a sudden you end up with hidden bullish divergence or something, or just bullish convergence again, quadruple MACD bullish convergence or something stupid. So it hasn't played out, and you are now at the point where if it's gonna play out, it's now or never. It's like in the next 16 to 24 hours, this bearish divergence should play out if it's gonna, but it's not certain that it will. Okay? Another thing you think about is like you've legged up again, dude. So now there's this demand line from this low from November 15th, this low from November 19th, this low from today, that you're just another demand line. You break it, you're probably going down the parabolic trend line, right? So that's something I'd noticed. There's just something else, a new leg up, man. More demand. So I don't know if you want to break that, really, right? You want to probably keep that. Not going to be good for any asset class or any asset on this market. If Bitcoin dumps down to like 18K. So, well, I spun for him already now, Matthew. So. I literally did it, so hopefully y'all saw that right. I'm not crazy. My thoughts on XRP? Jesus, dude. That was the first thing I looked at on stream. Okay, first thing. So we're just talking now about Bitcoin. It's kind of showing. There's divergence on the volume too, which is kind of grain of salt in this market. But you just got to wonder: is it going to play out? Is it going to fail? We don't really need to do another poll because we already have one, man. We got a poll. Will Bitcoin test all-time highs this weekend? 648 of y'all voted. 63% of y'all say, yes, it will. You're not there yet. Are we close? The way with the price action has been moving, not really, but still kind of you are. You're talking like $1,000 plus away. So 37% of y'all said no. So there are some people out there that don't think we will be seeing all-time highs by tomorrow evening around this time. Bitcoin's at its lowest level of the day right now. That's real. Down 0.71%. So Benjamin, thanks for the sub, dude. Let me turn off these fireworks real quick. Even though they should stay on, man, it's just like we're on the new day now, though. So it's like, I don't even know where my fireworks are now. What the heck, man? We're going to weather? No. Oh, they're there. Take these off real quick. Just getting a little busy. What's up, 2 wheels? Thanks, man. Where are the 4 wheels? So 18,575 now. Still continuing to sell off at your lowest point of the day. Very close to maybe breaking this little local demand line. With the bearish divergence, it would make sense. It wouldn't be weird. TA would be respected if it did sell off more. A little bit more, but it's not insured because bearish indicators and bullish conditions oftentimes underperform and or completely unreliable. So we'll see. But man, there's so much to talk about that has nothing to do with Bitcoin. Long's getting liquidated right now. 109,000, 155,000 longs liquidated right there. 18,562. Okay, we got some price action a little bit, so let's just see how it goes, man. But there's just so much, altcoins now. Any asset that was in the green today, there were some that were up 5%. They're all in the red now. All of them just sold off.
Break through 20K. What is the next target? 23K.
24.4K XO guy. That is your 127.2% fib extension from your all-time highs to your 3150 low. 24.4. It's really 24,440, I believe. Okay, that's it. Hilarious. Look at this. I requested a spin. We got spins going off immediately. They failed. And that's it, man. Really? That's all you got? That's Okay, dude. But maybe it's because Bitcoin's selling off now. The hype's over, chat. You now got Tesla's down 4.2%. XRP's down 7% on the new day. We got the sell-offs coming. Bitcoin barely moved. The sensitivity these altcoins have to Bitcoin price is ridiculous, man. So, dude, just think about it. If Bitcoin runs up, I mean, it's not moving barely. It's barely moving. If it moves up, like, it goes up another $100, then these altcoins could be back up, you know? So, let's see. Bitcoin, XRP. We looked at Ethereum. That was just recently at $561, is now at $549.40. So, sell-offs happening, man. They're happening. But here's what's cool. What just happened? Ethereum, 542. We know this has been plotted. You broke it. You just back tested it. You just back tested what was once resistance as support. And you bounced off of it for now. So you're just now praying for Bitcoin to not dump. And Ethereum could continue a journey. I love that. I love that price. Anytime you break out of something, you want to back test it to confirm the validity that was once resistance is now support to market participants. And now they're maybe doing that right now. So, I mean, you just had an $8 bounce in seconds, minutes, man. Okay, so it doesn't stop there. Let's go to just you pick an S coin. It probably had a really nice move up. Cardano. Wow, chat. Wow. Target hit. Like, are you Jesus chimes, man? You can't even make this up, dude. Is that one even here, man? I don't even know, dude. Jesus. Okay, let me show you real quick, okay? This was a trade setup posted on the 10th. It's the 21st. Okay? But you see this, right? Potential partial decline above a congestion area. That's the danger zone. Anytime you're above that, you're fine. You fall below, you want nothing to do with Cardano. Okay? Right angle descending broadening formation. Well, here you go. This was a Patreon trade setup. Hand delivered to you. Spoon fed to you. Hey, man, you don't have to invest in yourself. This is just an amenity that is offered in the Patreon. 471 members now. We have 7 annual members now. We had 2 that joined yesterday for the whole year. Okay, so this was it. Entry was now 10.5 pennies. Okay, stop loss below that congestion area, just slightly below it. All right. Yeah. Stop loss never got triggered. It was perfect. You hit the first target of the trade setup, and what did you do? Pretty much at the first sell of trade, the 13.872 cents. You reversed there violently. I mean, we were at 13.983 cents. You're now at 12.983 cents. You lost an entire cent in value since you hit that target, since you hit that major potential reversal area. Okay, hidden bullish divergence. Partial decline became confirmed as soon as we tested yesterday that the top part, that top trend line. Okay, 70% chance of breakout on partial decline confirmations. 7%. How about 100% this time? Right, beautiful. Broke it immediately. Reminded me of Ethereum in the summer on its bullish rectangle partial decline. So you haven't hit the second target yet. Yeah. You're gonna take time, man. It might take a while to consolidate, to figure its life out, to think, to contemplate. You know, before it could sell off more before it goes. It could back test the breakout as support before going higher. It really could. So the next target is the next major resistance, all the way up here. A high point from August 8th, a high point from July 26th. Of this year. So one target hit, okay, profit taking what happened. What does that mean? Why did it sell off here? Yeah, maybe Bitcoin, but dude, people take profit at profit taking levels. So when they do that, that's when sell-offs happen. So it's like, how could anyone be scared about Cardano when all it did was exactly what it was supposed to do in the end, based on my interpretation of this asset, what it was doing at the certain levels it was doing it at. Okay, so fantastic. Patrons, let's freaking go, dude. Man. Well, that's not everything, man. That's not everything, dude. Okay? Let's take a gander at another one. Oh my God. I mean, what more could you ask for on XLM? Bullish cipher pattern. Critical ice line held. 3 rising valleys. Bullish 5-0 pattern. 8.9 cents broken. Trade setup posted for patrons officially October 15th. Hidden bullish divergence on the third valley. Pretty much back testing that critical ice line, where you knew you wanted nothing to do with it if it got back below it. Fine. You'd held it multiple times. All right. Okay, chat. More Jesus chimes. I'm sorry. You're just going to have to deal with it. More Jesus chimes. Third target hit. Fourth target not quite hit, which is A, the top of the cipher. 11.68. Almost. I mean, what do you want, dude? Leroy Jenkins, dude. Literally everything. So you can learn to do this stuff, man. And really, like, this stuff is not, like, if you're a patron, this is, like, delivered to you. You're pinged. You get this stuff. Wow, okay. We'll see what happens, man. And they're just literally almost all of them were playing out. All of them, okay? So... But wait, there's more. I don't know, man. Like, VeChain was doing things. Everything was kind of doing things, man. Right? I mean, let's go back to Litecoin real quick. You broke $80. And you're still above an area where if you stay above it long enough, you could see $95 soon. Yeah, you can see $95 soon. Like, again... It's also if you cannot maintain prices above $84, this is where a major reversal could occur. We up thrust through it and then we dump. Okay, but again, you've broken the resistance. It was the high from February 2020. Litecoin's at the highest price it's seen since August of 2019. It's been over a year. So the longer you stay above this previous high, this area of potential reversal, $95, a high from April of 2019. Okay, if you notice historically, the price action, it's normally straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. So I guess there's chop in here, but you get it, man. That's like what's the next kind of area where you can go to. Also falls in line perfectly with the weekly analysis. The targets I gave literally in June. Literally in June, chat. Here it is. You're not even at the second target yet. The second target's $99. This was posted. It's like, if this is going to break out in June, if it's going to break out, here are your targets. You've hit one target. You just hit the first target, finally, after months. That's why you call it position trade, investment. You don't call it a swing trade. It takes too long. It's on the weekly time scale too. So yeah, it could take a while. So 50% retrace, 84.71 achieved. So the next one's $99. I think if you broke $99, dude. If you broke $99, I think you might see $140 again, $130 again on Litecoin. This is almost too much for my little heart to take. I'm telling you, man. The TA is being so respected that I'm losing it over here. I'm freaking out. It's so good, dude. What's up, Eric? Thanks for the 99-cent super chat, man. And if you're in here and you're enjoying the live stream at all, not really the live stream, but if you're enjoying this extremely bullish price action, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. We pretty much hit 2,000 likes on the stream yesterday. Ludicrous. Hit over 36,000 subs yesterday on YouTube. So really, really, thank you so much for that. Wouldn't be able to do any of this without you. 100% crowdsourced stream. So y'all are the ones that keep the show rolling, and very grateful, man. Best community out there, and it's all y'all, man. Okay, thank you for giving me a chance. That's all I can say. Total market cap sitting at 531 billion. You have pulled back since the new day, but that's okay, man. All right, you pull back. You could back test 517 as support before going higher. That's fine. Not weird. Thanks to the 1,533 people tuned in. 436 likes. Heck yeah, man. I really appreciate it. Jeez. Digi Media, dude, I think we're all loving this price action, right? I think the only thing that we could ask for is for Bitcoin to just go ahead and test all-time highs. We'd appreciate it a lot. Thanks. Could you look at total market cap? What? The chart that's up right now, dude? Really? Yeah, it's perfect. I think, like, if you hold 518 billion long enough, 570's probably next. Jim Fallon, not Jimmy Fallon. It is a combination of many variables that are fundamental. It's not just PayPal and Square. It's now Citibank. It's now the CIO of BlackRock. It is the halvening that happened earlier this year. It is the unlimited money printing. All those things like crossing together. It's a combination of variables. It's just not on the technical side. It's on the fundamental side. You got celebrities buying. You got Logic buying $6 million. You got freaking Arya Stark from Game of Thrones. Buying friggin' Bitcoin. Then influencing those people, her followers, right? With polls, talking about it, getting awareness out to the normies. Yeah, mass adoption from PayPal, though. That's not even them talking, that's them doing it. We're watching crypto be mass adopted in real time. You're living it. You're literally watching it all unfold right now, and it's extremely exciting. Oh, I don't know. I haven't looked at DGB in many eons, man. Not one I frequent.
True international under pressure.
Off topic. Becoming financially free has made it difficult for me to accept holiday/birthday gifts from others who have it financially worse. Am I the only one who has this struggle?
I don't know, man. Like, I'm happy to receive gifts and stuff, but I fully, like, I know, like, I don't expect anything, and I enjoy giving, right? And really fun about Christmas now is doing that. Okay, thank you, Benji.
Does your Patreon cover tax structures? Or do you have advice on that?
No, pay your taxes. You get a form from your exchange, you print it out, you give it to your accountant, and he takes care of everything. So, well, that's the way it's been going for me. So, right, the 1099 or whatever, just do that, man. I would talk to a CPA too if you have problems, if you have questions. Make sure you're doing the right things, okay? Some jokerism. Thank you, dude. Yeah, so sorry, get off Litecoin. I mean, it was everything, dude. Everything was killing it, man. YFI has pulled back, you think, tremendously. I think it's down like 8%, and like, yeah, look at this. I mean, YFI on the weekly, I don't even look at it really here, but it hit a high of 29,862. It's at 23,645. You can get killed FOMOing still, like, right? Like, whatever happened, man, it like, oh, you know what it did, right? It hit the top of the golden zone. It hit the 618, 30K. That's pretty much what it did. Hit it and reversed. It's 618s, you get reversals all the time, man. I was saying, like, patrons are asking about this earlier, about where would it go, man? What's a safe place? Where do you think? I think it's safe until it falls below $21,000. As long as it stays below $21,000, you're safe, dude. You're good. Okay? You're fine. It might backtest that, and that wouldn't be weird at all. Well, I mean, it did backtest it on the 18th, so, but maybe it might backtest it again before going higher. It's just consolidating. I mean, what do you care? I mean, like, is that not good enough, man? It's from its the bottom, the PCZ of the bullish shark, going to the 618 and appreciating in value 302% in 15 days. Not good enough for you, you greedy mother heckers. Owning YFI, really? I don't even want to hear it, dude. Just leave it alone. 300% in 15 days. Not good enough. Pfft. All right, here we go on Bitcoin. Dumping 18,511. Let's go back to it real quick. Is breaking maybe that demand line a little bit on the 4 hour. Remember, I mean, it's bearish divergence in the 4 hours is very real. And it's like, if it's going to play out, it's now. Like, this is when it plays out. When that negative Momo takes over after the smaller histogram island. This is it, man. This is it, Larry, when it's supposed to play out. If it's going to. It may not, but it's starting to break just some sort of scrub demand line. And you can see there's a lot of downside where it could eventually come down to 17,830. But really what it's doing is just back testing its local high. High from November 18th, 3 days ago. You know, you can come down to 18,271 and test that, and it wouldn't be weird before bouncing. So I wouldn't be too concerned until it breaks 18,271. Then you know it's going to 17,730 again. Okay, so maybe it can hold that. What it's breaking now, not really good for altcoins. Altcoins hate this. I mean, you know, they just had exceptional, most of them double-digit days, and now a lot of them are down 5+%. So party's over, man, I guess. Sorry, I ruined the party, dude. I should have just not been live, you know. I don't know, man. Let me, we get someone requested Digibyte. So, I don't know. I haven't looked at it since the beautiful summer, exceptional, ascending triangle, 100% measure move hit, and then reverse. So, let's try to just clear the air here. Don't know. I mean, like, very close. You'd think that would have been the strategic entry, like 1.697 cents, but it never happened. It got very close. Someone could try to be like X, A, B, C, D. I bet that's a harmonic of some sort, but I mean, we could mess with it and just screw around and see. It's not really a strategic area for a harmonic. Bitcoin, 18,005. This is about to break that. Yeah, see, that's a little too deep, man. 72%. Nah, it's no harmonic then. You can't have that. So, that's the case. We've got a supply line up here. You just tested, right? You could break that supply line. It could be time to go, but that's definitely not happening anytime soon if Bitcoin keeps selling off, which it is. It's breaking that little scrub demand line right there. Let me make sure this is perfect for you. Right there. Yep, 1, and then 2, and then kind of 3, and now you're just right at it, trying to bearishly engulf. 2 hours, 44 minutes, so your 4-hour close. A lot of sellers coming in. So we are at 18,500 on the dot. About to break it. Seems very possible with divergence in the 4-hour. So you're just hoping that if the bearish divergence is going to play out, it's going to underperform. You're going to end up just making a higher low than your previous low, which your previous low is 17,667. It looks to me on the 4-hour anyway. So just make a higher low than that, everything will be fine, man. It'll continue on up. But what are you worried about? What are you mad about? How could you be upset that Bitcoin might be pulling back at 18,000? I mean, it almost at $19,000, dude. You know, it's. Don't know what you'd be upset. All right, you just broke 18,500. Currently at 18,489. It's not violent. It's not crazy. Altcoins continuing to dump. XRP down 5.5%. Tezo's down 4.7%. Neo down 3%. Ethereum Classic down almost 4%, right? Litecoin down 3%. Bitcoin Cash down 4%. Ethereum's only down 1.2%. Following Bitcoin pretty much the T on percentage losses, which I like. I do like that. People talking about taking profit on XRP, of course. I mean, like, yeah. I mean, like, not financial advice or anything, but when an asset goes up 40% in a day, yes, it's exceeded any swing trader. Rational, real swing trader who applies traditional technical analysis to a market, yes. Yes. If you got a chance, one would take some profit on XRP at the levels that it was at, yes. I mean, like, yes. That's a good day, man. Wow, this asset appreciated in value 40%. I better not take profit. Really? Are you even a trader? Are you actually trading? Or are you just And you want to have a plan anyway, but in case like you know you had the trade set up, you took the strategic entry, and then you let like you only took 25, 25, 25, you had 25% left, and then it just kept going. It's like, yep, still might be a time to completely exit that trade from that entry at like 23, 24 cents, right? Yeah. Oh, with Ethereum, it's a different story. I think that Ethereum eventually is going to 650. That's just me, though. Okay, that's like it's a long-term position trade. It's not some sort of swing trade. It's a longer-term. It's like a patient man, patient woman, patient alien game. Okay, 650 is the 100% measure move of the confirmed double bottom on the monthly. So I think it'll be there in probably a month or two, assuming this continues. Okay. Minimum or maximum a month or two at this point. You're getting so close. John, you've seen predictions of Bitcoin or Ethereum at 800, dude. I mean, what's in a prediction? I think if Ethereum breaks 650, that's just a measured move. The golden retrace on Ethereum is $900. I think it could easily get to $900 if it's just gonna make a common retrace like any other traditional asset or any other traditional market asset. $900, not weird at all. A 61.8% retrace is not weird from its all-time highs. So again, like is that a prediction? No, that's just me applying Fibonacci retrace stuff, and it's common. It's not weird. It's not deep either. It's moderate. It's high moderate retrace. So yeah, good to see y'all. We're watching Bitcoin try to hold on to this little demand line. I guess it's been manufacturing kind of lately. It's just legging up again. You already have a parabolic run, right? And then it's like, well, we're gonna leg up again. And this is the new leg. Kind of right here that we're testing. Now it tested and holds it. That's real as F then, man. I think if you break it, you're talking 18,270 and then 17,730 after that. So it's just nuts, man. I mean, we're in extremely bullish conditions. These are quite possibly the most bullish conditions I've ever seen as a market participant here. Yes, I understand 2017 FOMO stuff. Yeah, I mean, but just think about it, man. No one's even really here yet. You know, it's not even that crazy yet. We're almost at all-time highs. You know, and if you look at Google Trends, you're at like 26 out of 100. You know, past 5 years.
I think I see a bullish crab on your USD 4 hours and a bearish crab or bearish slightly on GBP USD 4 hours.
Forex, it's closed. Oh, look, man. Thank you, dude. Well, it's crazy. I mean, the euro. I mean, it's absolutely insane. I don't know about crabs or anything. I mean, I do, but like I'm saying, on the 4 hour, is it really mad? Look what's actually happening to the euro, to the US dollar. I mean, you have this high from 2008, another high from 2014, and look what's happened. You broke out, and you're just back testing it as support. You're holding that ice lines from history. 2015, 2016, what was once resistance became support. And now you're just trying to break through a congestion area, a very powerful congestion area, 2010, 2012, and eventually 2017. So it looks almost like a bull pull bull flag. I mean, at this point, doesn't it? Just a bull pull bull flag kind of on a daily time scale, where if it does break through those levels, well, your target's eventually gonna be 125. So a bearish, would you say a bullish crab on the euro? I don't know about that. It's the XA. It's too perfect of a bottom here. It's like 100% retrace. Nah, I don't see a harmonic or anything. Nah, dude. All I know is this is an area where a potential major reversal could occur. So if it doesn't hold, if it can't break 119, it's going to come down to 116 again. If it can break 119, it's going to go to 120. It breaks 120.689, right? It breaks that. I think that's when the huge move up could happen. That could easily happen if you're talking about the DXY. If the DXY gets wrecked, that's definitely going to happen. This is an aggregate of what comprises the DXY, why it exists, how there's like multiple trading pairs. So this is like what, 40% maybe of the US dollar, so or the DXY, the US dollar index. So if the US dollar breaks support at $91, this is going up. It's going to break out, see 120.689, and after that 125.312. Okay, so I don't know about harmonics on this though, dude. Okay, just kind of looking at it on the macro, kind of like zoomed out. It's actually making very momentous breakout and back test and holding outside of it. So that makes sense. Hold on a sec. What? Sorry, my ticker's messed up. Let me refresh. Yeah, Euro's been great. There's been inverse head and shoulders. There's been bull pull bull flags. A lot of very nice trade setups. We were covering it back in May, and it was beautiful. Probes had brought it up on stream, or he brought it up, and it's like we looked at it, and it's like, Jesus, dude, this looks bullish as F, and it's just continued to show bullish structures, and the TA has been getting respected, and that's what that's what happens in Forex, man. That's a traditional market, a very efficient traditional market. So. Okay, that's perfect right there. That's right, Mike W. This channel's too much region logic. He's going back to trending. Redirected in a positive way. So, I want you to see something, okay? Tron jumped across the creek. Patrons were pinged at everyone. You were informed of this if you're a patron. Jumped across the creek. Wyckoff accumulation. There's nothing else I can do but tell you what's that range bound asset. This was the creek. You jumped across the creek. You were even given the Jesus luxury of the back test of the jump across the creek. So good. And after you back tested that creek long enough, you broke out of the trading range. You broke out of the accumulation. And you're out of it right now. You are selling off pretty tremendously because Bitcoin's not, it's barely moving. Bitcoin's just, I don't consider it as a sell-off at all. This is just sideways consolidation on the weekend, and that's what we want, right? Don't we always ask, pray for Bitcoin? And we pray for Bitcoin to either go up or do nothing, just leave us alone so the altcoins can move? Because Bitcoin, if Bitcoin dumps and is violent and volatile, altcoins they'll have double-digit loss days. They just can't handle it, okay? So you want Bitcoin to do nothing in this environment. If you want altcoins to rise like the Jesus, which they all did yesterday, and now we're on a new day. So you're just back testing now. What was once resistance for so long is now potentially support. The longer you hold this, the higher the probability becomes that you eventually see the next real resistance, which is 3.2 cents. You broke out, you're back testing, you hold long enough, 3.2 cents is in the cards. Congratulations on the Wyckoff accumulation range. Perfectly broken. It's so good, dude. It's like textbook. Can't even make this up. Doesn't matter if Justin Sun's a scammer or not, dude. This chart's respecting the TA like many others in their own ways, and it's beautiful. Yeah, we'll go to link that is at $15. I'm sorry. Isn't it like every single day people are asking about link, and I keep saying as long as you're above 1330, you're going to see $15 soon. Stay above 1330 long enough, $15 is happening. It happened. And then if you break $15, eventually $16.45, all you've done from your all-time high, well, it's visible on the daily. It's weird looking at this on Binance. I don't know. Like if I go to the daily, the wick's there. It doesn't exist on the 4-hour. So from the high to low, you hit a golden retrace, a 618. The golden retrace. And so you pull back, you're trying to hold on to $15, you're 2 cents off of it. You hold this long enough, you're gonna see 1645. That's where traders set it up on the daily, August 30th. Okay, you break 1645, I think you're going eventually to 1781. You break 1781, you're going to $20. That's it. That's Link that people have been just mouth breathing for me to cover. Please, please, sir, please. I'm making a drink. Hold on. I got it right here, dude. I was drinking earlier. I'm gonna keep drinking, man. We're gonna have a good time. This is this is a celebratory thing, man. This is so good. This is so ridiculous.
Cover this. Fee approaching the 38% retrace with possible hidden bullish divergence forming on the 4 hours with possible bullish divergence on the 1 hour.
Yeah. I think Wi-Fi could show hidden bullish divergence possibly. Yeah. Thank you, Batson, man.
Is that a joint?
Cheers, everyone. $15. What do you want, dude? I mean, like, that's like been the target. Like 1330, 15, 1645, 1781, $20 targets all. Yeah, back to Wi-Fi just for Wayne for a second. Hidden bullish divergence is going to be a thing. Yeah, at some point, if it can make a higher low eventually, then pretty much 16K, 15K, yeah, hidden bullish divergence will show up. And I mean, like, you just can't be surprised if Wi-Fi does eventually see $21,000. That's the congestion area. I mean, that's probably where it would be headed. I don't really, besides this upsloping channel that it broke out of, this heart line, I don't really see any support. It has never reversed here. Right, so you got to wonder, you got to think it could drop a couple thousand more dollars, maybe more. So that's kind of it, dude. Okay, yeah. There's definitely going to be hidden bullish divergence whenever it decides to reverse and start maybe Japanese candlestick pattern or something. Yeah, for sure. Jim, I don't know about that, man, right? I mean, like, I get it, but that's an actual crypto, and he's not really being... Did he say anything else? I mean, that's probably okay, I think, right? Yeah. We'll give him another chance. Calm down, Kobe Bryant, all right? You'll be good, though. You can just time him out. And I really don't think that warrants it. It's fine. Let's go back to Toto real quick. Keep our eye on that. Well, let's go to Bitcoin market cap. What did that get to? I haven't been able to check charts today. I've been doing things, right? So still at that all-time high level. You hit a high pretty much at 351 billion. You're at 343 billion right now. Market cap on Bitcoin. Obviously, it is all-time highs. So we haven't back tested the previous all-time high yet, thinking that might be a possibility if it actually is real. Real traditional technical analysis actually applied, it would maybe do that before going higher. I have no idea, dude. So I don't know if that's how it works. So what a run, man. What a run. Historic run for Bitcoin. More Bitcoins have been mined. More money is concentrated in Bitcoin and altcoins than it was in 2017. These are reasons why it is at all-time highs right now. Unfortunately, right now, Bitcoin's not catching many bids. 18,515. You're on the new day. New day started about an hour and a half ago. And yes, it's just blah. May not be Bitcoin's evening, okay? I guess Kobe Bryant's... Kobe, you just want to get banned, I guess? Is that what you're trying to do? I mean, if you want to, that's fine. I'll keep doing what you're doing, I guess. If you want to get banned, that's fine. Alright, we're at the lows of the day now. 18,490 and breaking. Let's breaking that little demand line, right? Here it is. Yes. We'll see if there's any kind of follow the price action after breaking some sort of scrub demand line, if it's going to be any, right? But remember, the bearish divergence was there. It was implying a reversal to the downside. Long's getting liquidated right now. 18,477 right there. Not much movement, though. It's not violent. It's just kind of methodically going down. It's not bad, man. Not yet. Just reading some chat, man. Okay. Just understand, man. Like, if you're coming in here and I'm showing that like all these trade setups are breaking, they're hitting targets, they're exceeding them, some more insane than others, that should tell you something. That like, if a reversal happened, even a bad reversal happened, shouldn't you understand it would be normal? Because if we're at profit-taking levels on trades that have been, some of them have been active since late September on these altcoins. Like, you can't be surprised if we majorly reverse here, and that's why FOMO is so stupid. But I guess the people that FOMO, that know what they're doing, are the ones supplying the liquidity to people that are real traders that are taking profit at these levels, right? Because you get a bunch of people that flow into the market that don't know what's going on, and they're buying. When I'm being like, man, this is a great profit-taking level. I mean, these are it. These are great targets for profit-taking. Higher than, even in some cases, right? Like Cardano hit that profit-taking level. What did it do? Dumped hard afterwards. It probably would continue to dump if Bitcoin keeps dumping. That's right, Clyde, man. When no one was watching, when only like 700-800 people were watching the stream in late September, yeah, like that was when there was value on Litecoin and a lot of other coins. Right, we've had like 3 or 4 successful trade setups on Bitcoin this whole, like, since, like, you know, this month. You know, it's just been GBDC and a couple Bitcoin. Well, one of them still active, I guess, has not hit that target, which is kind of all-time highs. So you're still in the middle of it. You know. Now, XRP is certainly not the best coin all of a sudden. It's had a really great day. It was nuts, but just, it came off of a trade. That price action came off a trade. It didn't come off of nothing. It was like, wow, there's a strategic entry, a low risk, high reward opportunity area entry for XRP. It just happened to destroy all the profit taking levels and went up 100% more from, or whatever, however much percent more, you know. And that happened. That's crypto, man. That's why it's tough. I mean, it's not tough. It's just like, it's great to see the TA respected, but there are certain little tweaks in the crypto market that differences than traditional markets where, oh, so you're trying to tell me maybe it could blow past all the profit taking levels. Okay. Extremely bullish conditions. What's up, Johnny? Thank you for the 3s, dude. Probably not, Pablo. No, MicroStrategy, great skill taking profits here. No. They're not in it for the traders. They're not in the trader game. They're in the long-term cornering a market type strategy. They're in it for, because look, man. What happens in bull cycles? You have huge run-ups like today, and then you sell off. Their profit taking gets had by a lot of different traders on a lot of different exchanges, and they're probably looking at the same things we're looking at here. And bearish divergence finally develops on Bitcoin before it actually maybe plays out some. Wipes out, you know, over leveraged positions. Moonboy FOMO gets them knocked out of the game. You sell off, and eventually a new edge appears on the market somewhere. Right, eventually we show 4-hour bullish divergence, falling wedges, bullish harmonics again, and a bull trend. And then we take the longs while everyone's out, and they're saying, this isn't even real, dude. Are you like that Litecoin trade setup I posted September 23rd? People, even patrons, were literally like questioning the trades. Like, are you sure about, like, literally being like, are you sure about this? Are you sure this is a good area to enter, dude? Are you sure? And I'm like, dude, I mean, like, am I sure? I'm never like sure. I don't know if it's gonna play out. You don't have to know. But man, a congestion area with daily bullish divergence and 4-hour bullish divergence at the same time, with it at the PCZ of a bullish shark pattern, it doesn't matter if it plays out or not. It's like you're just doing the right thing. You're playing the numbers game. You're applying coinciding variables together at an area of low risk, high reward opportunity area, whatever, and you go with God, right? Thy will be done. If it falls below the congestion area, you get stopped out. It's part and parcel of trading. Some trades are going to happen like that, but some, if you keep doing the right thing, they play out like the Jesus, man. And they exceed targets, but it might take a little while, right? No, David, but one should have, on the Cardano trade side, one should have taken profit. 50%, 25%, something, because it hit the trade setup target and it's well below it now. Like, it hit the actual target and has reversed there. Pretty bad, right? What is Cardano down? It's down 4% on the day. That's not too bad. So we got Bitcoin 18,442, breaking this little demand line here. Let's see what happens at this little 18,275 area. It does seem like if it doesn't start catching bids soon, it probably is going to test 18,275. And that's not going to bode well for altcoins, right? They're just going to continue to bleed out more violently. I think they have very high beta to Bitcoin sell-off. It's crazy, man. Beta, that is a, beta is what you would consider, it's a Greek, and beta is sensitivity to macro conditions, right? So an altcoin that has a high sensitivity to the macro would be high sensitivity to Bitcoin, right? Again, we're trying to apply traditional definitions and words to crypto, right? So like Tesla has a very low beta to the macro, very low beta, meaning it's not very sensitive to the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ, right? It really doesn't, it's not that affected. So low beta, not high beta. And I think there's some altcoins that have higher beta than others. But then sometimes I think that aspect changes. It's weird. So again, 18,435, you just hit your lowest low of the day. I know, 22 hours, 20 minutes, so your daily close. I'm live just to look at these coins. Unfortunately, there's not much more euphoria. It's just not here anymore, right? Anytime we sell off, everyone in the chat, it's like, blah, dude. It's over, dude. And thanks so much for the 1,521 people tuned in. If you're enjoying this incredibly bullish run, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. It's very historic, actually. A lot of things are happening fundamentally that have never happened before, and they're all converging. They're all happening in the same year, and it's magical. It's very good for the long term, though today is not that great. We're down 1.72% on Bitcoin and dropping. We're at our lowest level, 18,400, about to crack that and see the threes. Though it's not a good day now, it was extremely good yesterday, which was an hour and a half ago and hour 40 minutes ago. And it's been a great month, great 6 weeks, great 2 months, really. Patrick, thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. Joe, thank you, man. Well, I'm glad you're saving money, man. Look, the whole point of my existence is just to provide some sort of value to you, the viewer, in some capacity, man, right? Hey, if you're a holder, right, at least like here you can get, hey man, he's saying there might be an edge on Bitcoin, might be a good area for me to continue to dollar cost average in because I don't trade, right? Or hey, it might be a good area to take some profit because it's like getting exhausted, right? That's why I'm here. What's up, John, man? Thank y'all for the subs. I really appreciate it. Thank y'all. Good to see you. Hope y'all are having a great weekend. It has been an exceptional, historic weekend for crypto altcoins, not Bitcoin really. Even though Bitcoin did hit multi-year highs just last night, we were live for it. So, what's up, Cam? What's up, Michael? What's up, Abel? Don't get greedy. You will get wrecked. Yeah, most of the time. But sometimes when you get greedy, and that's normally FOMO, right? You start dollar cost averaging. You start averaging up in FOMO conditions because every time you buy, it just keeps working out for you. but you're going to have a rude awakening when that FOMO run ends and we start correcting for 100+ days, and you lose everything that you made, and you developed a really bad habit. And you're gonna have to break that habit, man. It's not a good cycle. So people are like, how do you control your emotion? How about this, man? Like, if you're new in here, which it seems like there are a lot of new people, we're getting subs and stuff, and you really care about your money. You care about trading, right? I mean, this thing's selling off Bitcoin. You want to you got to spend time investing in yourself, you know? So that's great that you're here, and hopefully you just being here, like, I can help you invest in yourself as much as I can. And you join the Patreon, an exceptional way to invest in yourself. You're going to learn too much if you join the Patreon. But and you're supporting the stream. You're supporting what I do, 100% crowdsourced. But I think the first thing you should do if you want to get your feet wet, and I've said it, I'll just keep saying it till I'm dead. You need to buy the book that is called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Or you can go to YouTube and listen to it, the audio, for free. Costs nothing. There's no motive here. There's no affiliate marketing. I'm not telling you to click on my link to get that. I'm just saying go to Amazon. Just type it in, buy it, read it. If you care about trading, if you care about the markets, it will change your life. Your mindset will completely change. You don't read it once, you read it twice. You read it 3 times. You keep reading it, okay? And when you read it and you finish it and you complete it and you start tuning into live streams like this, like mine, you will point at the content creator like me or someone else and you'll be like, that guy has obviously never read that book. He obviously does not trade in the zone. The way he talks, the way he words things, he is not trading in the zone. Why would I listen to this guy, right? So please, I implore that you do that. It will change your life if you're in the world of markets, candlesticks, trading of any sort. Tonight We Rise says, I started it last week. Legendary book. My man. My freaking man. I just want to see people succeed. I get great fulfillment out of this. That I've been blessed with the opportunity. I really have been blessed. And I do appreciate it. Because, like, you know, people tune in the stream and they'll be out. Like, there'll be a lot of people that come in seconds they're gone. So it's like, you know, you had to, there was always a first impression, each and every one of you. You came into the stream, and it was the first time you were here. And so I'm thankful that you've stuck around and you wanted to listen to what I had to say. Bitcoin selling off, 18,369, the lowest low of the day. We are now down about 2%, $361. You've broken this little local demand line, it seems like. And I think you could very well see that. Remember the little high from a couple days ago, 18,272. Let's see if we test that. You got to hold it. If you don't hold that, you're probably going back down to 17,730. Okay, bearish divergence. This is a form of buyer exhaustion. You see this when you make a high on price and you make a slightly higher high on price, certainly a slightly higher high. But then on the oscillator, okay, you make a lower level, much lower level on your MACD histogram, your lower level on your relative strength. Both oscillators just happen to be giving us this signal, just saying impending price action versus the downside. But just remember, of course, in uber bullish conditions, bearish indicators often underperform, meaning the sell-off won't be that crazy. It'll happen, you know, but you'll end up making a higher low and pretty slow, and you'll just go and get you'll run again, right? And or it just fails completely. So sweet Uncle T coming in from Germany. Thank you, man, for being here. Where y'all at? Was everyone here from the US? Seems like, I mean, dude, it's late in Europe, man. What are y'all doing? Y'all should be sleeping. I mean, it's super late in Europe, I think, right now. Like crazy late. But as I've talked to people, it's really tough to sleep in these market conditions, man. You know it, dude. How can you sleep when XRP just ran up 40% in one day? In Mexico, London, Detroit, United Kingdom, New York, Colorado, Puerto Rico, New Mexico, Belgium, Austria. It's 3 a.m. What are you doing, man? Gotta get those REM cycles. Georgia, Croatia, Oregon, Florida, Texas. Probably every single state in the United States someone's watching, right? Liverpool, Philadelphia, Greece, Netherlands, San Diego, Portugal, Hawaii, Ireland, more London, Italy, Virginia, Maryland, Canada, Slovenia, Ibiza. More UK, man. A lot of UK people. So we got Alabama. Let's go. Roll Tide. What a game, man. Mac Jones is gonna win Heisman. Like he's in the driver's seat. He will win Heisman unless he does something really stupid. That's it. It's over now. Portugal, Philippines, Ohio, Edinburgh. I think that's Scotland, right? North Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, South Dakota. My God. What's up, J Chill? Roll Tide, man. RMFT. Yep. RTR. LA. Bolivia. Okay. India.
Belgium. 3 a.m. My eyes are collapsing.
3 a.m. Benji, man. Get some sleep, dude. You got to see the crazy day. This is the chill out day. This is the day where things... The market has to digest what just happened. It really does. And this is probably going to be the day that we get some serious digestion from the market, okay? Florida, Texas, New Jersey, Queensland, I think Australia, right? Nashville, what's up, Kiki? Ann Arbor, Michigan. How about them Wolverines? How they doing this evening? I think they're playing right now. Is Arkansas part of the U.S.? Yeah, last I checked, it is, yes. You should look that up, okay? Make sure you're aware of what states are real, okay? Argentina. All right, y'all, sweet. So we found out that there are a lot of people up way past their bedtime, but who could effing blame them? Blame them, right? That's very real. So, oh my God. ETC on the 4-hour hidden bullish divergence, looking like it, man, big time. Oh yeah, let me go ahead. Hey, by the way, while we're all here, right? Thanks for the almost 1,600 people tuned in. Join the Discord. I was talking about Mark Douglas trading the zone. There are many educational. Well, there's an educational resource tab in our Discord. It's all free. This is like just you go there, you join the Discord, you go to the educational resource tab. You can just get your feet wet. There's so many different book recommendations, so many different things in there, just to get you going, man. All right, setting you in the right direction. You just want to keep watching the stream. You want to keep learning about this technical analysis world. Join the Patreon, of course, is the best way to do it. I'm a pin the Discord to the chat, so you know you can now just anytime join it. Okay, it's up there. Very good. I think that's the right link. It's all good. Yeah, so right now we currently we're sitting at all right, we got 8,438 members in the Discord. We've got some pretty decent buy orders coming in on Bitcoin. $18,490. It's very springy. Let's just hope it underperforms. Let's hope. I mean, that's all you can do at this point, man, right? You just hope that any kind of bearish divergence, it's pathetic, right? It is pretty pathetic right now. I mean, after you see bearish divergence like this in a bearish market, I mean, this turns into nasty moves down, and it just hasn't happened yet. So the longer that you show negative momentum, and the longer that we don't dump, the better it is. Like the higher the probability becomes at some point where sellers just give up. All right, man, the bearish divergence was there. We're trying to push bots trying to push the price down. Too many buyers, not enough supply, which is a big indication. I mean, like a lot of people are researching and looking at exchanges that are running out of Bitcoin supply. It's real. It's a big. We're having a supply issue on Bitcoin, and that has to do with the halvening, It has to do with institutions gobbling this up all summer. Wyckoff reaccumulation, but among Wyckoff reaccumulation over and over and over again.
Thanks for the info.
Yeah, Justin, man. Thank you for the $4.99 super chat, but most importantly, thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me a chance, man. Seriously. We joke about me being arrogant on the wheel. That's the whole point. The wheel spin is the arrogance, but I am very grateful for this opportunity that I've been given. Okay, in this life, it's wild, man. And y'all said, hey, man, we like you. We want you to keep doing it. I started doing this streaming stuff going on 3 years ago at this point. We got about 3 months until my 3-year anniversary of live streaming. I've been studying technical analysis a decade now. Fell in love with it in my early 20s, and I just wanted people to hang out with, to talk to about with it, man. It's like, it was always just a hobby. It was just something I loved, and now we've got it. Now we've got that world that I couldn't talk. I guarantee you, all you people out there watching the stream right now, you could obviously relate to me where it's like, I bet money. You go talk to most of your peers, most of your friends, most of your family. They don't give two F's about this that we're in here for. We're all here together under a common purpose of caring about maybe crypto, but really caring about technical analysis, right? Technical analysis that has been researched for 100 plus years on traditional markets, right? And now we're applying it to a new uncharted territory. We're clearing the thicket. That's what we're doing in this crypto sphere. If you can believe it, at 18,470, we are still early. Okay, we're very early. Mass adoption's here though, and that massive run up we just saw is kind of indicating that the mass adoption's here, right? Let me just tell you, some of y'all don't know because y'all are newer here, but October 8th was the beginning of it all. That was when Square acquired $50 million for their cash reserves, corporate reserves, right? Just to hedge against inflation. $50 million. That's like half a percent, right? Nothing for them. But obviously the market liked it. Shortly after, PayPal announced people can buy and sell crypto on their platform. And since that Square news-driven catalyst, Bitcoin appreciated in value at its highest point 79% in 44 days. That's kind of unbelievable. That's kind of insane. So you got it, right? And that is, now institutions are getting behind it. It's the composite operators turning those cogs. They know what they're doing. They know how to create a frenzy of buying, and they're doing it brilliantly. But yet, out of all that 79% in 44 days, no all-time highs. We've been higher than this. But where we are now, I don't think we've spent more than 24 hours in its history above where we are now. So now we have, though. We spent about a day. So like before we got to like 18,600 or whatever, 18,400, we had only spent less than 24 hours at or above that price. We've just doubled that time of Bitcoin's existence at this level. I think that's spectacular. Back in 2017, it was up and down. It was over in 3 days, man. Less than 3 days, 2 days. Whew. I've been live now an hour and a half. What the heck, man? Time just goes, man. Join Discord, dude. Join the Discord, man, or be destroyed in a positive way. Just reading a little chat again. So we've been going. Yeah, MicroStrategy was another part of it. They bought average cost $425 million, average cost $11,111.11. They're up $200 million plus on that trade/investment, whatever you want to call it. And now we have Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, over $10 billion worth of crypto assets. That's like the most of any fund. Margalot, you talking about years ago? We were never at 300. We haven't been at 300 viewers in a long time, dude. Even in the worst times. I mean, yeah, maybe in like early 2018 before that crazy bullish Gartley played out. Sure, I guess. There's premium. I use Grayscale to strategize GBTC. GBTC is great because it's there are a lot of boomers. Boomers control most of the wealth in the world. You know that, like by far, not even close. They own the highest concentration of wealth. So boomers are reluctant to change, right? You can almost put a gun to their head. All right, well, you can make it easy for them to switch when they start seeing price action go up like this, and you just create an ETF, right? So instead of having to create an account on Coinbase or an exchange to buy it, nah, dude, don't worry about it. Just you're on the same exchange, GBTC, just buy it. Now, that's one thing. It's getting boomers involved. Hey, my dad owns GBTC. Let's go, dude. But the way you strategize GBTC, I'm not saying do it now because GBTC, dude, if you don't know, I'm sorry. This was a trade setup hand delivered to you on a silver platter October 15th. I got no words for you if you missed this. You had to be a patron. This was a complex inverse head and shoulders / 3 rising valleys. Breakout at the June 2019 February highs. You broke out, you back tested what was resistance as support, you're back below the 200-day moving average. Entry was then October 15th. Entry was 1243. Okay, it looked better than spot price. You're about to be at the third target of the trade setup in almost record time, like no time. So GBTC though, you put that in your Roth IRA. You take profit after a trade like this. Like we're talking like 70+% profit and loss, P&L. You pay no capital gains, none. Whereas if you trade Bitcoin, you are paying capital gains, 30% capital gains tax. So that's the way to utilize GBTC, having it in the Roth IRA. That's it, dude. Self-directed Roth IRA. Kangs, dude. Kangs.
Bruh.
Blue Girl's gonna long the top. Good luck, dude. Good luck. Probably work out this time because of how I don't think the FOMO market's really gone yet. I don't think it's. So these runs, these little these parabolic runs that keep legging up like this, they normally don't end like, oh, I just was hanging out, and no. Normally, what'll happen? These end with huge crescendos. I like calling them. We used to call them buying climaxes. It's where we'll be in here, your new sub, old sub, whatever. We'll be in here all of a sudden. It'll be 4,000 viewers, 5,000 viewers. We'll be breaking record numbers of likes, viewers, everything. Chat will be so fast you can't even tell what's going on. We'll be at $24,000, and then just a huge, violent close and reverse candle will happen. That's normally how these parabolic runs end. They don't end just like, oh, there's a little 4-hour bullish divergence. We've just been hanging around, and altcoins just had 15+% days, all of them, man. So, yeah, dude. I mean, this bearish divergence is probably going to underperform. You know, the parabolic run's probably not going to get broken here, you know. Now, I do think, man, the weekly is a little concerning. About 85 on the RSI. That's higher than it was in June of 2019 when we had that buying climax that ended everything. So that's a little concerning. But again, we're so close to all-time highs. You'd always think that with everything going on fundamentally, I don't know how we wouldn't see at least test all-time highs to double top and fail. All right, we're above the 886, the 88% retrace. We're above it. We're like not. We're in between the 886 and the 100% retrace. Like really, we're gonna reverse, dude, to the downside violently now, majorly. I mean, how are we gonna double top even with what's happened? What's happening in the world? It's so effed up, man. What the monetary system's doing to the U.S. dollar and all fiat. It's not just the U.S. dollar. It's the euro. It's the pound. It's the yen. It's everything, man.
I will never work for them man again. Thanks for the live stream. Cash XRP at 0.49.
Well, Chad, takes a lot longer than 37 days to master this stuff. So please, if you're, I know. Look, man, these are not normal market conditions. So these market conditions at some point in the future will end, and you better learn the right way, man. You better not learn the wrong way. You better not get caught up in the FOMO, because when it comes all crumbling down, You better learn how to trade traditional markets, because you won't be able to trade crypto for a living when these markets go back to normal. They're not normal right now. These are crazy markets. I mean, normal conditions were 2.5 years that we just went through that we're out of now. We broke out of that traditional normal market conditions in July. So, what's up, Tam? Fan, thank you for the sub, dude. John Weems, you feel like you're being hypnotized? By what? What do you mean? Why don't you elaborate on that, friend? Thanks for watching, dude. Congratulations on your success. Anyone with a check mark as a successful YouTube channel, 100,000 subs. Congratulations, man.
Bruh.
I aspire for that one day. I don't think it'll be anytime soon. 100K subs. That's, I mean, I've worked every day for almost 3 years, and I can't even crack 40K subs. So I don't think that's happening anytime soon. It doesn't. Bitcoin will be at 100K, and I'm not going to be seeing 100K subs, dude. So. But I only live stream, I don't do static videos, so I'm not even playing the YouTube game right, you know? And yeah, be sure to join the Discord. I mean, again, we're going on 9,000 members there, extremely active. And it's a great place to get notified when I go live, because YouTube notification systems suck and they always fail. So you'll never miss a live stream when you are in the Discord. And it's just a great place to be. The conversation continues when this live stream inevitably ends there. So, David, thanks, man. Glad you like it. There's a Discord link. It's also posted pinned above. 18,515 on Bitcoin. Less than 2 hours to go till your first 4-hour candle of the new day closes. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Thanks for the, wow, almost 1,700 people tuned in. Thanks for the 758 likes. We're so close to 800. We could do 800 likes in seconds if y'all literally wanted it to be. If y'all like, hey, man, as a chat, we know we can make it hit 800 likes. It would happen within 15 seconds. It just depends on if you want. I mean, whatever. I mean, maybe if the content's not, I get it, man. It's all good. But a lot of people are just like, they don't even think of it. They're like, oh yeah, I forgot to like the stream, man. So yeah, I mean, like Bitcoin, like it's trying to hold the demand line. It's uber bullish. It's so bullish that bearish indicators are just so far terrible. They're just not doing anything. Like this, around this time is when a dump should happen, right? But we know the conditions are extremely bullish. So when you're extremely bullish, bearish indicators are just not very strong. They just fail often. All the time they fail. And if they do play out, they perform terribly. And they just make a higher low, and then buys, just the bids come in and it just goes again, man. So, and just remember where we are. I haven't even talked about this much. I did talk about too much yesterday in the stream. But between 17,730 and 19,400, there's no resistance, man. No resistance, at least on this Coinbase chart. I think on the Binance chart, you did hit the weekly candle close high from 2017 all-time highs. So, and there it is. You see what I'm saying, chat? You realize we are now 3 likes away. I was just talking about we could hit 800 if we wanted. We're now at 900 likes, right? Look what y'all have done. It's beautiful. The power of the chat, man. Y'all did things. Jesus chomps for y'all. Y'all the Jesus peoples. Thanks so much. Very grateful. Holy crap. It's a freaking honor, man. It really is. I think people may take this for granted, dude. I'm very grateful for the viewership. And Yoda's let me be the one to be the, I don't know, man. What is it? The facilitator of the vibes of this beautiful run. Thanks, Ginge. Sand Mountain. Talking about Northeast Alabama, man. Boaz. Right? Boaz, Alabama. Dang, what are y'all doing? 974 likes now. We're now like 26 likes away from 1,000. You kidding me? What's up, Denise? Thanks for the sub. Welcome. Good God. So, I mean, like, I get it, right? You understand, we've looked at a lot of these altcoins. They just don't matter until if Bitcoin dumps, and that's why we're just keeping our eye on Bitcoin. I'm trying to, like, bestow some education and value that you might take it with you after the stream. You know, hey man, we're looking at an S coin. Like, okay, John Weems, thank you, man. I really appreciate it. More Jesus chimes, dude. Are you kidding me? That's like 250 likes in like 3 minutes, dude. That's what y'all just did. And also Leroy Jenkins. That boy is good. Thank y'all.
Bruh.
That's right, Jerry. GBDC and the Roth IRA is an ultimate legal tax loophole. Yes, sir. Adrian, thanks for the sub. Welcome. The guy's verified with 10 subs. Ugh. There you go, man. John, congratulations on your 10 subs, dude. You did things, man. Wow, lots of new members in Discord. Thank y'all. Jeez, a lot of new members. Thank y'all. Do I have the turtle soundbite? Are you kidding me, dude? What kind of question is that? I'm almost offended you had to ask.
There's bears out here.
Yeah, they're not doing anything, though. They're failing miserably.
Bruh.
They're trying to push the price down, but it's just like, it's not happening, man. Okay, I guess we can look at Ethereum real quick. 544. It was at 561 a little earlier, just a couple hours ago. But the good news is, if we could stay above $542 long enough, you know, you break out, you back test what was once resistant that support, then we could run. I mean, and there's just not really any resistance till $600 above this area, right? You know, we could up thrust and fail. If you don't hold 542 and Bitcoin dumps, you're going back down to 515. So what you're wanting, you're just praying for Bitcoin if you want Ethereum to keep climbing, man. Just pray for Bitcoin to do nothing or to rise. Ethereum does really well when Bitcoin does well. It just has a high sensitivity to Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin 18,528 so far. Right now on the new day. No, please. Buying XRP right now is almost suicidal to your wallet, to your money. One should have bought XRP if they were gonna buy it at the entry of the bullish cipher pattern, a trade setup given to patrons. The entry, man, for XRP was literally 23.958 cents. That was the entry. Okay, not here. Buying XRP at these levels is just you supplying liquidity to people who bought down at these levels to destroy you and to sell to you. And when you buy, they sell, and they might have a lot more sells than the people buying up here, and that is when you get huge markdowns in price, and then you get destroyed. You get put underwater. And it goes down to 35 cents and then pivots, and you just got cleaned out. You sell for a loss, and then it starts rallying again. And you say, screw this, I'm out, I'm done. Because you're not trading with a plan. You're not trading with any kind of purpose. You're just buying colors. Please go buy the book, read it, or listen to the audio that's free on YouTube. One or the other. And then come back to this stream. I don't want you to be in here without reading that book. I want it to be a prerequisite as a viewer. Every viewer in here reads that book. My God, if you did that, it's gonna be a lot better for you, man. Participating in these markets. You don't want to participate in markets without being in the zone, trading in the zone, having the right mindset. Okay? Trading in the zone, Mark Douglas. My God, what people say, what book? And I'm like, I just literally said it 5 times. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Hello? Good God, first off, you have to have the aptitude to hear what I'm saying to you. Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas. If you can't hear that, well, you're screwed. You can't trade, dude. You're definitely not able. You don't have the aptitude to trade. Okay, so. Neo down 3%. Who cares, man? Who cares? Look at Neo, the bullish freaking butterfly. The butterfly. What's up, Sanjay? Thank you, man. And remember, Nia, you're a patron, you do remember. Now, it's pull this one up real quick. It is kind of the TA Bible. So what happened? What happened today on Neo? If you're a patron, you know. Entry. November 4th, chat. November 4th. 1272 fib extension. Bullish divergence at a steel wall congestion area. An ice line that if you broke it, you were screwed. You were going down to much lower levels if you didn't hold this. So the bullish butterfly PCZ, the divergence, the ice line, all the combination of variables you could ask for on an asset. Entry was then November 4th. What happened today? Finally, your first target was hit. More Jesus chimes. Leroy Jenkins too, why not? And we're gonna clap.
Bruh.
Traditional technical analysis. You can learn it, man. You can join the Patreon. We can show you the way, man. 471 members right now. And they can all attest to the value that is provided in the Patreon if you want to learn this stuff, okay? Or you can just buy high. You can buy XRP at these prices, and maybe it goes up 5 cents, and I'm up, man, and then it crashes, and then what, dude? Then what? What's up, Richard, dude? We're talking about these trade setups were posted long before the euphoria was really here, man. It wasn't around. And that's the time to buy. You want to be a Matthew McConaughey trader. You like these things before they're cool. You want to get in an asset before Charlie Lee starts tweeting emojis about Litecoin, right? Yeah, long before. $18,047 on Bitcoin, man. Where's Logan wrecked at? Oh, I don't know, dude. Logan's scared, dude. Show up. He knew he would get wrecked if he showed up, dude. I think he already knew.
True international under pressure.
If you don't have the time to read or the luxury of purchasing Trading in the Zone, the audiobook is free on YouTube. No excuses.
Yeah, and if you don't read the Trading in the Zone, then literally you're not willing to invest in yourself, so you deserve nothing. You literally deserve nothing if you can't apply a little time to invest in yourself. That's what happens in life, Larry. When you don't invest in yourself, you're not going to go anywhere. So, and it's not just reading Trading in the Zone, it's anything in life, man. That's anything. Sport, education, life, business, it doesn't matter. If you're not willing to put in more effort than everyone else, you're going to be like everyone else. And there's no exceptions to that, man. How's market cap doing? So 342 billion, man. Still near all-time highs, but we did hit a high, man. Come on, we hit a high earlier, 351 billion. So we're about 9 billion off the record now. So 1 hour 45 minutes live. You're enjoying the live stream. Hit the like button, that bell, that sub, man. Over 1,000 likes because y'all are absolutely incredible. 1 like away from 1,100. Are you kidding me? Such good stuff, dude.
Yeah, Larry. Don't be a pleb.
Bruh.
Thank you, Joel. Appreciate it, man. Guess I'm gonna drink a little bit more alcohol. Try to keep it going a little bit longer, man. Whatever. You know. Feel free to do your thing. Yeah, you know what? I mean, like, since if we really want to get the social lubricant going, I guess we can play the real game, the actual game, until I'm out of this alcohol. You know what I'm talking about? Where it's like, you know, where I'm hitting spin, and then it lands on gold or social. I can like play that until I'm out. Okay. So if you want to do it, you can. If not, doesn't matter. No skin off my A. And as I say that, crap. What's up, why cuz? Why cuz, man?
If you trade or invest, the Patreon is the greatest learning tool. You invest in yourself while making tendies. The trade setups are there to help you recoup the value while you grow on your own.
Amen, Why-Cuz. Dang, man, great way to put it. Thank you, dude, for the advocacy for the Patreon. One of the 471 patrons we have. They can all attest to the value that is provided in the Patreon. And you're supporting the stream. The stream that there are no ads. I mean, there are ads if it makes over 10,000 views because I play copyright music to ensure the quality of the stream. All right, man, I'm going to have to play this game, so we've got to concentrate a little bit more. I can't just spin and then turn it off. Okay, so social. Okay, social. Everyone has to drink right here. I'm drinking. All right, that was for Why-Cuz. This one's for Scuba Steve. All right, another social. All right, we're good. Okay, we're safe. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Roll Tide, by the way, 63-3. We killed it. Kentucky got embarrassed. Oh, Mala, of course. There is exceptional amount of educational resources in the Patreon. Yes, there are clips upon clips upon clips. And it's not just that. It's like, it's almost an intangible quality or an intangible amenity of the Patreon that gives you it almost like $1,000 value minimum. The Patreon chat, where we have like hundreds of people, hundreds of patrons who are participating in the chat at all given times. They're traders that are applying the teachings I provided, and they're applying it all over the markets, looking for trade setups, and people asking questions, one's veterans that are helping others learn. It's just this reciprocity that continues. It's perpetual. It's amazing. It's literally incredible, and I didn't even know that could be a thing. That it just took on a life of its own, and it's so wonderful now.
True international under pressure.
We'll play the spin game with you.
I'll
bro.
go to Looney Bin
We'll go
together,
to
man.
Looney Bin
Yeah,
together.
dude. Yeah,
I don't
thanks.
today. Clinking beer mugs.
Thanks, Dante, man. Thanks, Dante. Yeah, really, Brad, it really is, man. Oh, get wrecked. You must drink. You must go to the Looney Bin alone. Element of P, unfortunately, dude. Probably the most ironic, weirdest, worst variation hit right there. Okay, sorry. Patrick, no need to project, man, okay? No need to project your sad life. Sorry, dude. You ever seen a scam wick? Yeah, we've seen them before, man. They exist. They're out there, man.
I love the stream. Well done. How do you make it so interactive? What program is that? Fire. Thanks for all you do.
True international.
Oh, what do you mean, Crypto Lifer?
The Mitrate Patreon is a
know
great
what you mean. Thank you,
community to
Fud.
be in. Spin.
Alright, Scuba Steve, do your worst. Ocean Man. That's you, Scuba Steve. Okay, more socials. That means more drinks for Element of P and you, Scuba Steve. Yeah, it is the best time to join Patreon, obviously, at the first of the month. Unless you're going to join annually, which is... We have 7 annual members now, which is incredible. So, really big shout out to them. Let's see how good you are. Predict now. Predict now, us, hun. That's not how it works, dude. Calm down. Jeez. Oh, son, please. Stop mouth breathing, okay? It's beneath you. You're better than that, dude. I know you are. Come on, bro. Come on. Yeah, I just showed literally all the work I put in that's manifested into successful trade setups over the past couple months. And they're all hitting targets now, and they're exceeding targets. And I got someone coming in for the first time being like, do something. Show me something. And it's like, well, we did. If you watched the stream earlier, that's been live for almost 2 hours now. So I can't help that you're late to the stream. And I have shown these predictions that are really just trades, low risk reward opportunities, and they're playing out. Thankfully, we're grateful for that. We didn't know they were going to play out. You're not supposed to be in the mindset of thinking you know what's ever going to happen on the market. Okay? Is that okay? Spin, gulp. All right. I think I just owe 2 now. gulp. Get wrecked. I don't have to drink on that one. Spinner drinks again. Get destroyed, dude. In a positive way. The odds of getting me wrecked are rising, BR. Dude, come on. I mean, let's be real. The chances of them getting me wrecked are like that, dude. So I'll wait for Rob's thing. Well, it's not gonna be TTS anyway. $3 TTS minimum. Rob's saying bullish Garland in the 15-minute. You don't like in my system. You don't look at the 15-minute. You don't even really look at the 60-minute. 60-minute is very like rare you'd look at it. You maybe look at the 60-minute to see how many touches a critical support gets after it breaks it to see, hey, is that validation of the 4-hour back testing, right? 60-minute, you don't even look at it for the minimum. It's 4-hour for pattern recognition or pattern identification minimum. 4-hour daily, weekly, monthly. That's where a swing trader, position trader is, okay?
Let's see how good you are.
Predict now.
Best comment of all time.
After like showing all the trade setups that have played out, I mean, like, what do you even want, man? Whatever. Get wrecked, dude. It's only a gulp, not a chug. There hasn't been one chug yet. Doesn't matter, Alsan. I have 471 patrons that could attest to the validity of these trade setups. They were all there. They were all posted. That's it, dude. Like, go ask all my patrons. I have an army of people that would back me up that all pay monthly. So, doesn't matter. I don't care what they say. I don't care what other people do. I don't compare myself to other people. You shouldn't either. Compare yourself to yourself from yesterday. Oh god, dude. Sorry, am I bad influence, man? Oh yeah, the scammy people. I don't advertise, like, whatever, dude. Like, it's just never been about that, man. Never like advertise what I do, man. It's like, nah, man. The Patreon's like a way for you to support the stream, but if at the same time you want to learn how to trade the way I do it because you like what you see on stream, that's how you do it, man. Yeah, Daniel, you're part of the army, and there's nothing you can do about it, man. Was that a spin or? Yeah, that was a spin, I guess. All right. Okay, we're safe, dude. See, it's so easy. I mean, I guess it's easy. This is not going to be good, though. See, it's going to all capitulate when it hits chug, because I'm, like, pretty much drinking an entire chug this whole time. Stephanie, no one cares. You're just a stupid bot, and you're now banned. Get destroyed, dude. What's up, Cassie? Thanks for the sub. I skipped your oh, nuh-uh. Alright, J-Mub, whatever. If I did, here's the respin. Chuggy chug face, get wrecked, dude. Fish it, man, oh my god!
Fish had $8.50 to $25. I donate some shekels in an attempt to destroy you 2 times. Also because I was able to get my long-term hold positions at the legendary BTC Gartley, Epicat Double Bottom, and semi-decent XRP Cypher. Thanks for teaching me the ways of the TA.
My man, Fishhead, coming in with the old school legendary bullish Gartley that put this whole thing on the map, dude. It did, man. That was it, dude. That was our breakout. That was back in early 2019.
You've shown that being consistent and putting in the work pays off. And your commitment to your goal that is inspiring to me, boss. Compare yourself from Brittany.
Yes, sir.
Chug though.
Did you? Oh my god, hold on. I think I have 3 spins now. Let me just get these out of the way.
Wheel will land on.
Alright, this first one, Logan wrecked. Sorry. If Logan's here, he's screwed. He's not here, though, I don't think so. It doesn't apply to him until he's here. Nice. Another not me having to do anything. Awesome. This is the last one. Oh my god. Get destroyed, dude. I love the Logan wrecked one. Normally when he's here, though, he was scared. He knew he was going to get destroyed if he showed up today. So it's okay. No big deal. Capitalize since it's a chug very soon. I don't, dude. I can't even smell it, dude. Alright, social. No big deal. I passed? What do you mean, Crypto Lifer Man? I did pass. I passed the no chug. Yeah, dude. Did chug, man. Did chug, though. Nah, Asan, you're just an idiot, dude. Like, what are you talking about? Like you're showing up without context, just spewing off diarrhea. Just textual diarrhea. You don't know what you're talking about. It's asinine. You're just literally saying fake crap. And now you're gone forever. Yeah, it's like refuting 470 plus people that get the value of what I do, what I teach, and they're tipping me money on top of also supporting me, paying me $100, $130 a month. Really? Yeah, dude, they're just doing it. It doesn't work. It's a scam, but they're just tipping me money because they're making crap loads of money learning about how to do this on their own, and they're making money from the trade setups. You're crazy, dude. It's insane. We got psychos in the chat, baby. Let's go.
Bruh.
Don't be jealous, dude. Don't be mad. I mean, like, really? Living my best life right now. Spinner drinks. No chug. No anything. Dario, congratulations on your 10 pennies. You did it, man. MLG levels. You're talking about being a gamer. MLG. 360 no scope Doritos. Mountain Dew. Code Red. Snoop Dogg, right, doing the dance thing, MLG parodies, you know what I'm talking about. $360, 180, 360 no scope. Ugh. I need to get a good sound clip for the montage parody.
I must wreck you.
No, you must not. You must get destroyed yourself because it'll probably land on you drink. It did land on you drink, J-Mub. You drink, man. You get destroyed, and I do nothing. I just sit back, relax, and count my tendies. Oh yeah, exactly, Daniel. Daniel's like, it's a scam, dude! As he dips $100, man. What's up, BR, dude? It's all rigged.
It's all rigged. Get wrecked. Spin. Shardubashadabresha.
Easy, dude. Thank you for the American contribution. 1776.
The bull flag was a total scam, Leon. Do you Mitch? Get wrecked.
Yeah, remember the bull flag? I remember, dude. I remember. I think we have that one here.
I just found your channel and you sound like you know what you're doing.
Like, it's a scam. I can't believe this guy. Who listens to this guy, man?
Spin.
What was that, like 2 spins I think I owe? It's a scam, chat. It's a scam. Can't believe this. People give this guy money. Whoop. Yeah, all targets hit and beyond. Okay, and there's another trade setup going on right now anyway, so whatever, dude. Like, go ahead and cry about it, Oshan, or whatever your name is. Mr. Irrelevant. We won't even remember your name by tomorrow. So, what was that? How many spins? Forgot. I think it's 2. Patrons drink. Destroyed. Alright, this one's for Daniel. I think this one's for... No, that last one's for Daniel. Okay. Alright, gulp. We're good. What's up, Tonic, man? Thanks for the sub, dude. I mean, it's like, it comes to a point where it's like, this guy's so arrogant. It's like, no, it's not. It's just literally like, we're here every day, no matter if you're here or not. We're applying real traditional technical analysis to the markets, and it's not my fault that the traditional technical analysis is playing out and working. It's not my fault. And now we're showing the proof of what we put in every single day. Most of y'all were here when this was happening, the developments of an edge on the market, and then people come out and they're like, you're arrogant, you're cocky, and it's like, that's where the joke is. That's where the arrogant will comes in, where it's like, people that without context think it's arrogant. It's like, no, dude, these things happened. You just showed up and they've already played out. It's not our fault. You should be here before these things play out. It'd make a lot more sense. I heard your conscious elevation. All right, man.
Spin, please. Thanks.
Rygar, did I? All right, gulp. No big deal. It's my fault. Mitch Ray's yard guy, they're jealous of my yard. I mean, I don't know, dude. I went out today. It's literally destroyed. It's actual all dirt now, thanks to you. Like you said, man. You told me. I'm a little livid, but I think you could probably fix it, right? Maybe. Rygar, I don't know. What am I behind on here? Exy, well, thank you, man. Thank you for finding the stream. Hey, man. PCZ, it's $75, $8,000 on Wi-Fi. Excellent, J-Mob, excellent. Let me see the... I don't think I owe. This one's for J-Mob. I don't think I owe anything, Rygar. Patrons drink. I don't have to do anything anyway. Get destroyed, dude. Not this song, dude. If any song, not this one. It's the worst song of all time. Like, literally, I think. Melonhead, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. The first book you should ever read if you're trying to get into this world of technical analysis and trading. That's it, dude. That's it, man.
True international under pressure.
Spin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Capitalize. Chuggy chug by Shrek. Don't have to do anything. Destroyed. Easy. Easiest spin of my night. Or easiest spin of the world in the world ever. I don't know.
Traditional technical analysis was applied to rice futures in the 1700s by wealthy families in Japan, using candlesticks. We see TA work time and time again with proper risk-reward position sizing. Let's see if the ancestors will get you to chug on spin.
I don't think that's how it works, dude.
I can attest.
We'll see.
I've been following since 2017 now, a Patreon.
God, it worked! Thank you, DL. Sorry, I didn't mean to steal your thunder there. Well, I didn't steal the thunder. Wow. So it looks like the ancient Japanese technical analysis from the 1700s for Jacob Ree, it did play out. Probably the most appropriate chug ever.
Right,
unbelievable, dude.
Turn the circle.
What are trade setups on this Patreon? We showed a decent amount of them, the recent ones, earlier in the stream. But you could, I don't know, man. 471 patrons could tell you about them. Or you just rewind the stream and look at all of them play out.
Here.
Careful, man. Nah, careful. I get it. There's a beverage here. Yeah, dude. Well, this is 5 ounces right here. So I'm just gonna knock this out here. I don't know. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I took a couple sips just to be fair for this chug. Okay, that's it. That's 5 ounces of wine. Discord's not letting you in, probably because the Discord link has expired. We have scammers who try to come in and like prey on our entire community during FOMO markets like this. So we have to limit the amount of invites because we're trying to protect our people, but like we're also trying to grow the Discord at the same time. It's tough to balance that. So again, we have limited invites per link. So that one's probably expired now. Bradford, are you hearing that? Mods. Okay, let me finish. Let me chug this. For friggin' Jacob Ree, and then I owe like 3 more spins, evidently. God, what's up, Spice Melange? Who would tip this guy? Who would ever tip this guy, man? God.
Mitch has been in the game for years. Every heavy, serious trader knows who he is. Judge them by they know Mitch Ray TH. I'll go low, big razorback.
Yeah, go talk to a CFA that knows this stuff, that got their degrees in it, and ask them about what I know about technical. If like they were to watch a stream, they'd be like, oh yeah, they wouldn't be like, oh, what is this guy? He didn't even know he's talking. It's like, no, they'd be like, well, this guy's like clearly, he knows kind of like what's happening. I mean, like, right? There's no scamming here. It's literally, this is stuff I've been literally learning about for years, right? I mean, this is stuff that like analysts at hedge funds, they do the same crap, right? They do the same stuff. Technical breakouts, right? 11,400. Remember 3 Gorgeous Damn chat? What happens when you really actually with true convincing price action break 11,463. What happens? And then we have to do it, man. We have to do it, right?
And then, just like that,
we went from $11,463 to $19,000 pretty much instantly if you look at the weekly. Yeah. Guess what? I'm not the only one in the world looking at the same stuff. We're all looking at it together. It's almost a collective pump and dump kind of thing, right? Collective analysis. We're all looking at the same things. So I'm just trying to teach what everyone else around the world who knows what they're doing with big money is looking at. They're looking at the same things. All right, 3 spins. God. Yeah, that's 3 spins. Okay, don't have to do anything there. Okay, social. All right, 1 there. Boom. 3 spins. 2 of them were spinner drinks. I don't have to do crap. I drink my on the social. That's it. That's right. They pay people hundreds of thousands of dollars per year to do what I'm trying to teach every day. They literally do. Yeah, they do that. But it's just like, I mean, I'm trying to be that person that shows you that you can do this if you put in the effort. It took me 10 years to learn all this stuff, right? And to develop my own system, you know. And that's a long time, dude. That's a long effing time. But then it's like I finally condensed it the way it worked for me, and now I'm trying to teach people the system I've developed. And you got people like Matthew D and Jacob Ree, right? Don't Fear the Wolf. J-Mo, you got people that are learning, like, since I've been able to condense it so well, like consolidate all this 10 years of data in my brain in kind of a good format, right? They're like learning it at an accelerated rate. And so now they're getting to my level in a very fast period of time. And I want that. I want that to happen. They're all like, they've all become self-sufficient to where, like, if I died tomorrow, if I like just stopped streaming, they got everything they need to succeed on these markets. And that's all I care about, man, because we're all going to be gone one day, right? So it's the legacy we leave behind. It's like, and really as humans, it is our responsibility, if we ever learn something and master it, whatever you want to call it, right? If we ever get really good at something, it is our duty. It is our obligations as humans to pass down the knowledge that we have developed. And maybe it took us a long time to develop. It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. But it's our responsibility to try to teach others what we've been taught. And with college being like, oh my God, it's now $200,000 to go to school for basket weaving, underwater basket weaving. Something's got to give. And we're at that point. We're literally at that point. E-learning. Welcome.
Every month for the last
Welcome to
12
it.
months. Keep on scamming me of delivering the tinnies. Bring
Of course.
it on. Spin.
You broke it, man. You broke into this jar. Thank you, unemployed baker, man. He's been scammed. Sure did. All right, here's your spin, all right? Destroyed. I don't have to do anything, man. Thanks, man. Oh my God, we are 25 subs away from 36,200. Holy crap, we've gained so many new subs today. Unreal.
Try out the Patreon. I'm a yearly member and it has officially changed my life. Thanks, Mitch Spin Bro.
Let's go North Oz, man. Thank you so much for that $15 super chat, right? Look, annual patron, right? And then he tips me on top of it. So it's like, how could it be not real? Like, if there are so many people that are attesting to it, to the validity of the value that is provided. It's not real. It's like, you can't fabricate this. What's happening right now? You can't. Logan wrecked. I don't have to do anything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, North Oz. I'm sorry. What's up, Wood Division Champ? Thanks for the $2 super chat. So if you want to take a shot at hurting my liver with a chug, it's a $10 minimum on the spin. It's just kind of the number, man. Right? Imagine someone sitting 99 cents and they give me a chug. It's like,
You should see all my new equipment in the IRL and Patreon. Mahahaha spin.
Ah, thank you, Cheddar Man. The teacher. Hey, I think Cheddar's a professor, man. He's a literal professor. And he's like, he attests to the value. Thank you, Cheddar Man. Here's the elite contribution spin, man. Dude, this is the luckiest I think I've ever been. I'm on a hot streak right now of not even having to gulp this thing. Get wrecked. The arrogant wheel prevails. And Bitcoin, 18,607. It's just in this little, I mean, if you're looking probably at the 5-15 minutes, it's probably a beautiful little rectangle. It's not moving. Like, prices are fixed, okay, this weekend on Bitcoin while alts run. Fixed price on Bitcoin. Look, I'm not going to do it because I'm not, going to the 15 5-minute charts beneath me. But if you anchored right here, look, 18,383, and you anchored right here at 18,855, you're in a range. You're just rectangling, and that's not bad. It's not bad. And when we talk about it, right, it should be dumping. In bearish conditions, this would be destroyed right now, but it can't move. There's too much demand, and or based on previous research or more recent research that's coming out now, there's not enough supply of Bitcoin. So this thing is trying to dump, chat. Sellers are doing everything bears trying everything they can to try to push this price down. They're failing. It's awful. It's embarrassing, actually.
Literally said it yesterday on stream. Mitch changed my whole life, and I've only been able to trade for 6 months since I turned 18.
Thank you, Champion Man, for the threes, and that's great, man. I've changed your life. I mean, that's wonderful, dude. Like, that's humbling. That's super humbling. So, thanks for giving me a chance, man, and thanks for not watching IP2 or some Twitch video game streamer, dude. Thanks for giving me a chance, because most people your age are watching like Asmongold or who, like what are they? What are those ones over there on Twitch that they just watch videos and write QKC or whatever his name is? Come on, chat, y'all know what I'm talking about. Imagine watching them play video games when you could literally watch me and learn how to make money on your own and be self-sufficient. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's just almost no point. Like, why do they exist? I guess it's like eating Swiss cake rolls, mental Swiss cake rolls, and here you watch me, you eat mental sushi, right? High powered, like a food, healthy. So I guess you gotta eat your sweets, your pumpkin pies, your Swiss cake rolls, because it tastes good, right? It tastes good. It's easy to sit there, and you may need to drink coffee before you watch this stream, right? Wait, do I need to spin? Sorry. QKC, what is it? QXQC is the beast. Whatever, dude. I mean, you're watching someone play video games. They're not helping you in any way. They're providing entertainment. I mean, maybe I'm doing that too, I guess. I don't think I'm providing entertainment. I'm trying to provide value. Like, that was the whole point of this. And that's what happens the first hour or two of the stream. But when we go multiple hours in the stream, I mean, like, it's over. Like, the value provided is over. We're having fun now. We're enjoying ourselves. Camaraderie, it's like... And we're monitoring the price action of Bitcoin. Oh my God, live.
I had a dream last night. I dreamt I was a dove flying over the sea, and then I dove into the ocean, and I swam with the dolphins. I was two animals joined as one, which meant big
chugs are coming. Big chugs.
Spin.
Okay, dude. Okay. Let's see. Scuba Steve, Wood Division Champ. Okay, so I think I owe 3 chugs, or three, not 3 chugs, 3 spins. Okay. That is Cyber. That's from Grandma's Boy. All right, gulp. Social. Okay. Go
Here's
get
a real
it.
side I'm
Jeez.
learning the day I found out I had Luckendorf faith. I found Mitch.1.5 years later. I can afford my Alive in America Luck to sink and also spin.
Also spin. Okay, dude. You're being really deep. Also spin. Thanks, J-Mode, man. Holy crap. And that's wonderful, man. I mean, it's so great to hear you persevered, man, through that bull crap, okay, in your life. And I'm so proud that you're still here, man. And very grateful to have you in the community. Like, seriously, dude. I mean, people like you are staples of this community. But unfortunately, you're terrible at spinning the wheel. I mean, let's be real. See, Logan wrecked. He's not even here, dude. I'm sorry. You know I still love you, though. It's all good. Starting to feel it, though. Starting to feel the alcohol a little bit. I mean, a little bit. I mean, what a joke, dude. I don't even owe anything, man. I don't even owe a spin now. What's up, 3D, man? Thanks for the sub, Dad. Are you kidding me? Literally 25 subs from 36,200. And I don't think it's updating, right? It's like broken. Andrew, I did. I certainly did. I did. So I'm drinking. This is through careful testing. We have mastered this game. Well, I have, I guess. Chugging. You can chug 1.5 ounces of whiskey. You can chug 5 ounces of wine. You can chug 12.5 ounces of beer. What I've found is the most efficient, not the best feeling. It's the worst actually in the morning, but the best, most efficient way to play this game is with wine. I'm able to chug easiest without wanting to vomit from whiskey or my stomach being so full that I want to vomit with beer and breaking keto, really. So what will happen is you get these double chugs. If someone makes me chug and I chug right back after a beer, that's 25 ounces liquid in your stomach. It's awful.
The Lord is respected that TA and warned us that FOMOing on less worth crypto like XRP may cause diabetes. OGs never forget to be.
Dude, Rob R. Oh my god, chat.
Please clap.
I have some evidence Man-Bear Pig could be in this area.
No, it's not Man-Bear Pig. It's Rab freaking R. Wow, Brad. Do you see this, man? Irkon Jovic, Rob R. I mean, it might not be him because he says the ghost of Rob R. But dang, dude, good to see you, man. I know you came around. Maybe it was like 6-7 months ago, dude. But good to see you again, dude. I mean, if it's you, thank you, dude. Welcome back. Hey, you seeing this, man, right? Remember last year? Remember Vegas? I know you remember Vegas, dude. You were there. Look what's happened. We'll spin for you, okay? No Belushi on that one. It didn't happen. So if you tip $25, there's a 6% chance a variation goes off where it's an automatic chug. 33, there's an 8% chance of an automatic chug. Most people don't even know that exists, thankfully. So this is for Rob. Jeez, dude. Good to see you. You have to drink though, I guess. Like you don't have to play the game, but I'm just saying, like, if you were, spinner drinks. Thank you, dude. Cheers. Dang, man. OG in the house. Troy, you just subscribed tonight. Probably be watching this a lot, man. Thank you, Troy. I appreciate it, and thanks for giving me a chance, dude. Again, like, right, what's going on right now? I tried to do everything I could to provide the value. The first hour and a half of the stream, we go over the assets, we look at what's going on, we talk about the TA, we do educational stuff, but then we get later in the stream, right? It's the weekend. It's a weekend for me too, dude. Like, guess what? It's Saturday night for you. It's Saturday night for me too. So Friday night too. Like, if I do extended streams, you gotta understand, the later the stream goes, the less I'm gonna be doing that hardcore. Hey man, you know, we're gonna be looking at every asset. You know, you see what I'm saying, right? It just becomes more lax, more relaxed of a stream the later we get in the stream. So I don't know how anyone can complain against that or about that, right? What's up, SS? Thanks, dude, for the sub. Appreciate it. We're talking about Charizards. Well, we talk about Charizards sometimes, right? Logic bought a $300,000 Charizard. Oh my god. We've been talking about Charizard. I told my mom she's gonna look in the basement to see if my Pokemon card collection's still down there. I said I don't think it is, but good luck looking for it. Okay, so if we find it, I'll definitely show my Pokemon cards on stream if they're still there. I think they're gone, but we'll see. Literally have no idea what happened to my Pokemon cards from the days of old. That's right, Ralph, man. Thank you, dude, for understanding. Scuba Steve, you think I'm drunk, dude? I'm not drunk. Y'all have done a terrible job of getting me drunk, dude. Okay, and that's your own fault, and it's okay. It's not your fault. It's not a bad thing. I'm just saying. There has been no wreckage. One little chug. That's it, dude. Really? Maybe I'm buzzed, but buzzed is far from drunk, man. How's Michigan doing in this game? Did they do it? We got a new link? Okay. Thank you, Brad. We have a new link, chat. So now you'll be able to rejoin. You'll be able to join the Discord, okay? It's like selective. Wait, 25. Chug spin? Sorry, that's not how it works. You spin, and maybe it lands on chug, but certainly probably not. Yeah, 100% only gold, okay? But I'm playing the actual game, so you should at least be proud of that, okay? Yeah, I'll pin the link for sure. Alright, here it is. Replace pinned message. Boom. New pinned, updated link to the Discord, man. Wait, you just sent me another one? Is the other one old? Yeah, we do traditional markets all the time. That's where I learned. I came from there. I didn't care about crypto. Like when I was learning how to do this stuff to trade, like nah. But we're trying to apply traditional technical analysis to this market, clearing the thicket. You've never gotten more value from watching a YouTube video, Caster? Well, that's great, man. I appreciate the feedback. That's the case. That means a lot, man. Thank you, dude. $300,000 for a 10 mint Charizard. Yeah, dude. Logic obviously has too much money. Hey, he put $6 million into Bitcoin, so good for him at least, right? He's definitely diversifying. I guess the question is, who's gonna buy that Charizard in 10 years from him for more than 300K? That's what I don't understand, right? I don't get that at all. Like, that purchase just doesn't make sense to me. Weird comment from that person. I don't know, J-Mo. We'll see, man. Maybe not. Probably not. Dude, I'll probably be long forgotten, and that's okay, dude. It happens. It happens, Larry. But maybe some people will get value out of it, and that's all that matters, man. It's all that matters. At least some people got value out of it, right? Someone has more money than Logic, probably. Yeah, but dude, they're gonna be buying a Pokemon, dude.
In the background, learning. Thumbs up.
Thank you, James, for the $3.99 super chat. Much love, dude. Cheers. Cheers, dude. Your portfolio would argue, yeah, but it's, you know, I mean, like, people get value out. It doesn't mean I'm gonna go viral because our patrons have good, you know, patrons make money. It doesn't mean that, like, I'm gonna blow up, you know. It's gonna probably stay methodical and normal, so it's all good. Again, it's not, at the end of the day, it's not about virality. It's, at the end of the day, it's, hey man, if I'm able to be positively influence one person in a day, that's good enough for me, man, right? Certainly good enough for me. Look at Batman #1, Superman #1, same thing, dude. Are they going for like a lot or something? Rich people buy banana tape to a wall. Yeah, we should ask that Moon Boy. Well, that moon boy, instead of buying banana taped to a wall, he'll buy VeChain.
Bruh.
Just kidding, dude. Had a really nice dude. He showed up in the stream, and we were talking. We went to this. We went to the VeChain chart, and I was like, "This is the area where reversals happen." That moon boy. Like I want someone to clip that, go back and watch that video where VeChain hit the bottom, and he showed up, and Logan was here too, and they tipped me into oblivion, got me so drunk. But that evening, we were at a reversal area, and it reversed, and we never saw it again. Never saw it again. We saw it one time, and we were live, and it's been gone ever since. It's gone up every way. Thanks, Fly High. Like you too, man. Again, man, we're hanging out watching Bitcoin hold the demand line. Hold this scrub demand line. It's kind of fascinating for now. Hour and 2 minutes till your 4-hour close. Hey, Rob R again, man.
Bruh.
Rob R tipped $25. Since Vegas, bought thousands of pounds of Nutella and been
Diabetes, man.
running on BTC. Looking healthy, thy lord. You dropped the Nutella?
Yeah, dude. Went keto. I've been keto for most of the year. Like, lost 30 pounds. I look like probably like 3 or 4 years younger. Because when you fast, so I also implemented intermittent fasting to my ketosis. So when you intermittently fast, many anti-aging properties are released in your body, right? HGH and stem cells. And so I've been doing that all year. Shave my beard, right? And it's been great. Like I look younger than I did a year ago. Like a year ago, I look so old. Now I look, I don't know. I mean, like, yeah, I'm 33, and people will probably say I look 33, but I feel younger than 33 for sure. So, yeah, man, big changes to me, to my body, to what I've been doing, you know, physiologically. So, thanks, Rob. And we'll spin for that, I guess. We shouldn't, since the Belushi could happen anyway. Alright, I don't have to drink anyway. Perfect. Thank God. What's up, P09? Thanks for the 1 super chat. Much love, dude. Thanks. Thank you, Mr. Yazdi. Hey, Denny, man. Thanks for the kind words, man, dude. I mean, like, it doesn't matter how I look. I could look, you look 33, you look 40, but I feel like mid-20s. I feel good, you know, like it. So it shouldn't matter what I look like. I just feel good. That's the health. That's what sustained this diet. Sustained this lifestyle is the feeling I have where I don't have energy spikes and dumps. Pump and dump, right? I just have sustained energy throughout the day. Every day. What's up, Sandesh? Coming in from Nepal. Welcome, dudes. Welcome. Are you climbing Everest yet, man, Dad? Let's go. I look like I'm 12. What is this, right? Is that how it works, dude? Brad, you're like my age, dude. Get out of here. So going hike? Nah, I haven't gone on a hike in a while. I mean, treadmill like crazy all year, but yeah, I haven't gone on a hike in a while. There's a special place I go to at Oak Mountain. Super serene. I need to go back, and I need to get up to that spot. It takes a lot of effort to get there. When I get there, though, it's like Skyrim atmospheres playing, definite meditation, sitting down, the sun beating down on my face. It is out-of-body experience type stuff, man. It's so amazing. You look 45, dude. Yeah, I know. I might look 45. Who cares what I look like? I feel younger. That's it, dude. What's up, Anthony? Hello? Bueller?
I just follow what you do, diet and trades, since around May or so, my life is 10x better since.
Dude, that's awesome, Anthony, man. Thanks so much, dude, for the feedback. Let me know, man. That's great. I'm glad I've been in some shape, form, capacity, a positive influence in your life, and that's what it's about, man. That's why I do it, and thanks for letting me know, dude. Because like that's the thing. Like as a content creator, you never know if you affect someone positively or not, and I can only go off what people tell me to watch. So thank you, dudes. And just all I can say is keep it going, man. Keep going. Wow. I look 37. Let's go, dude. 37, 44. Doesn't matter what age you're pegging me at. It doesn't matter. I look 61. I look 87. Yeah, dude. I don't look young, but I feel young, and that's again all that matters really to me. So. Oh my God, Rustler, are you kidding me? No. Oh, poor Matthew D, dude. Jesus. Is it over, or are they... No way. Dang, I wish Auburn wasn't winning 27-10. Oh my God, Mississippi State and Georgia are tied up. Oh. Where's that Michigan game? Don't tell me it's over already. Dude. No way. Rutgers. Oh, it's third quarter though, so it's not over yet. You were scaring me, dude. You were scaring me, thinking that Michigan was losing to Rutgers, even though Michigan State lost to Rutgers, right? So it's different age, different times. Crazy. I really can't. I'm just like, wow, we're holding this scrub demand line on the weekend with bearish divergence, and we're going nowhere. Bears, where are you? Bears, pick it up. Get it together, man. And all altcoins, man, are all down, dude. All of them are in the red. They're all pulling back from the respective highs. We covered most of them this evening, earlier. So rewind if you want to see those. It's just right now we're chilling out, enjoying it. I'll be ending the stream soon, okay? Because y'all did such a terrible job of getting me wrecked. I mean, like, really? Really, chat? That was it? Wow. Might be the easiest wheel spin night of my life, right? Most nights I'm just playing the chug game. But I'm actually playing the game, the real game tonight. And it was easier than just a random chug game. So, dang, man. I'm sorry. It's okay. Next year's our year, Mom. You said that last year. Michigan fans. Jeez. Wow, man. General chat's gone lit. Sorry, are you losing it, man? Are you freaking losing it? What is the song? Everyone's like losing it, man. They want this song in their lives. Oh, you would. Oh, money grows on trees. There she or he or she is, okay? There that person is. Why don't you Shazam it and you tell me what this song is, huh? Huh? No, it's not porn, Marbob. Get wrecked, dude. I guess I'm just finish this drink up and we'll be good, man. Is XRP still bullish? Yeah, it's extremely bullish after what happened yesterday. If you didn't see, up 40% on the day. It's pulling back. Who cares how much it pulls back today? It could go down 10% and it'd still be insane. Okay, that's it. Dang, dude, is Rutgers literally... Boy, they're driving the ball. They're on their own side of the field. This is ridiculous. I want to go watch it. Oh, it's on the Big Ten Network? I'm never going to be able to watch it then. Jeez. You hate everything's tied to Bitcoin. Dude, I wouldn't worry about it, man. Everything will work itself out on days like yesterday. Matthew D, get wrecked. I tried, but I gave everyone a chance, and it's just, oh man, it's such a, oh man, this might go down in history, dude. It's one of the most easy wheel spin games of my life. And join the Discord. I'm spamming the link. It's pinged above. Go ahead and do that, man. As we are still just waiting for Bitcoin to do something. Bearish divergence. The bears are they have the ball right now, kind of on the 4 hour. And if it's gonna play out, it's soon. It's like around now. This is when we should start seeing bearish price action, but it's just not happening yet, and could happen after stream ends. So just be cognizant of that. Buyer exhaustion on the 4 hour, not the hugest thing in the world, it's not like the daily or anything, but you could coincide what's going on with the weekly being 85 and the RSI extremely overbought. So those may play into it. We just pull back some, may not happen. Guys managed to wait on the shotgun beer chug. Oh yeah, dude, forgot, man. Oh wait, doesn't matter. Revner, no, dude, I don't think so. Maybe I have. I don't know, man. Dang, dude, 8,500 members of our Discord. Thanks so much, everyone. Incredible. We're just 500 away from 9,000. Vegeta would be so pleased, man. I owe nothing, Muddy Funstar. Nothing, dude. Wow, we just hit 8,502 members. Thank y'all. Holy crap. Alright, so less than 500 for Vegeta. Let's go, dude. Thanks, Adam, dude. Okay, so been a good stream. Great stream.
Bruh.
I gave you guys an opportunity, and that's okay. You tried. A very valiant effort, okay? I'm very pleased with your attempts, but I win. I literally win, chat. This game. You lose, okay? If you played the game, you got that wheel to spin and all, you lost the game. I'm sorry. And that's okay. Excuse me? So thank you so much for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything. New patrons who have joined. You had your chance. I'll be back. Until next time, respect the T. A.
Bruh.
This is your network.
see what happened, Clary?
JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Do you know the way?
Adios, turd nuggets.